Backpacking stoves have been quite popular with travelers and adventurers today. These stoves boil our water, make our coffee, and cook our food even when we're in the middle of nowhere. They make the journey easier, simpler, and more enjoyable with a full stomach. These stoves are made lightweight and compact, so you won't even have to worry about the extra load for a cooking system. While there's no single best backpacking stove for every destination, it's important to know what's best for your needs. With that being said, here are the top 5 backpacking stoves to guide you and help you narrow down your choices. Whether you need the best of the best or the most affordable option, we'll relay all the best items for you. If you want to find the best prices and more information about the products mentioned in our video, then you can click the link in the description below. Now let's start. The first item is the MSR WhiSPERLITE stove. WhiSPERLITE has been a well-known portable stove and has been the choice of many travelers for more than 20 years now. It's a classic gas stove that guarantees reliability and durability at a fairly affordable price. It has a compact design with a flexible fuel line that you can fold for easy storage. And it's also lightweight and packable, so you can bring it on your trips. With a wide and stable base, you can use bigger pots to help cook for larger groups. Fueled by white gas, this backpacking stove can efficiently boil, simmer, and cook in no time. Prepare hot meals in the middle of nowhere and enjoy your long adventures without a grumbling stomach with this sturdy and easy-to-use stove. WhiSPERLITE is made with stainless steel and brass materials that guarantee dependable performance. Its pretty straightforward design and shaker jet technology even allow for easy cleaning and maintenance in the field. It can bring a quart of water to boil in less than 4 minutes under typical weather conditions. Overall, WhiSPERLITE is a valuable, simple, light, and small backpacking stove that any mountaineer could ever ask for. It's something you can bring even for a cross-country bicycle trip. It's one of the most reliable, portable stoves that you can bring when backpacking or just going on adventures. It's a tried and true liquid fuel stove that lasts for a very long time and doesn't break the bank. The second item is the BioLite Camp Stove, a unique, user-friendly stove that doesn't need any gas to work. It's a remarkably sustainable and easy-to-use stove that's perfect for most campers. No need to bring with you white gas, propane, or even butane, as this backpacking stove fuels on wood. It has a fully integrated system that generates electricity, burns the wood, and creates smokeless flames. With that, you can boil, cook, and even grill your own food pretty easily, especially when going to a major outdoor hotspot or even off the grid. Create full meals and never have to worry about any gas running out. Just go out and explore nature, and surely you'll find twigs to fuel it. Carefully made with stainless steel and heat-resistant fiberglass, this stove ensures reliability. It performs exceptionally well within 3 minutes and 50 seconds boiling time for 500 milliliters of water. BioLite also comes with a distinctive feature, a USB charger built into the stove. It easily generates energy from the stove's own heat, so you can recharge your devices like smartphones, headlamps, or LED lights. This means that you get to save weight from extra batteries and solar charging technologies. It's an extremely convenient and environment-friendly design that gets you filled up anywhere without hurting nature. While it can be a bit heavy for some, with a weight of a little over 2 pounds, it's still a handy backpacking stove for those who are up for the challenge. It's a creative camping device that could be worth trying out. So you excited to find out what else is on the list? If so, then keep watching as we discuss the next items for you. Before proceeding though, let me take this opportunity to ask you to join our growing community. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified of our next videos. Now let's continue. The next item on our list is the JETBOIL Flash Camping Stove. It's a reliable, compact cooking system, perfect for any outdoor adventure or weekend trek. Engineered and optimized for maximum efficiency, this stove guarantees a quick, easy meal anywhere that you want it. With the combination of a high-intensity burner and an insulator, this can boil water in a lightning-quick 2 minutes. Plus, you won't even have to worry about running out of matches or strong winds when lighting up, as this unique stove has its own ignition system. Having a flame is as easy as clicking a button, so a rainy or stormy weather wouldn't be a match or hindrance for some warm meals and coffee. This JETBOIL stove is also clearly designed for easy packing. You can put everything you need in just its 1-liter cooking vessel. Just easily fold the materials and stack them neatly into the tin. Secured with a dependable lid, you can bring this everywhere you go, just like a water bottle. And did I mention that this compact stove is also super lightweight? And not only that, what's more exciting about this is that the kit includes a coffee press. So you get to make that perfect cup of coffee to start the day, without needing to bring any extra gear along with you. It even has a thermochromatic color change heat indicator that pretty much shows you when the water's ready. It's an extremely convenient and reliable backpacking stove, perfect for any adventure. If you're one to look for high quality and well-designed stoves, then you should definitely check this one out. We want to know what you think, so please don't hesitate to write down your comments and suggestions below. Now let's head on to the last 2 products. The next item is the Snowpeak LITEMAX stove. Snowpeak has always been known to have high-quality products, including stoves, and LITEMAX is the most compact one that they offer. If you like a straightforward backpacking stove that's simple to operate just like the ones that you use at home, then you're gonna love this. Made of ultralight titanium, LITEMAX is a simple and small canister stove, perfect for short trips. While it doesn't have very wide pot support, it's still sturdy enough to carry medium pots, so you won't have to worry about wobbling unexpectedly. This Snowpeak stove can also fold in itself and be packed in a black cloth case, so it's easier to bring around with you. It's also a bit cheaper than other top-performing camping stoves. It's impressively compact, which makes up for some of its lacking features, like piezoelectric igniter. It even features good valve control, so you can run it at precise levels of heat. In terms of durability, this stove is one that's surely long-lasting and even offers high output for such a tiny stove. It's even efficient enough to bring a liter of water to a boil in just over 4 minutes. If weight is pretty important to you and you like some useful modern features, then you better welcome this stove to any of your trips. It's pretty affordable, and it'd be great company for first-time campers. The last item is the COLEMAN PERFECTFLOW Camp Stove. It boasts 2 important features that are definitely perfect for any outdoor enthusiast: an instant starter and 2 burners. You'll never fall short on convenience and practicality with this one. Its 2 burners are fueled by propane and can be ignited without the need for matches. This is made possible by its electronic ignition that allows easy lighting by simply turning the knob. So you get to prepare your meal anywhere, even without an open fire. You also don't have to worry about uneven heat, as its high-pressure regulator ensures that the stove has constant output, regardless of what the weather condition is. It's also fairly easy to operate, thanks to its fully adjustable cooking power. It's a piece of safe and handy equipment that campers and hikers should definitely bring, especially in challenging locations. PERFECTFLOW has wide and spacious support that can accommodate even larger pots, so you can cook for the whole group. Cleaning this stove wouldn't be much of a problem either, because it even has a removable copper nickel chrome-plated grate that makes cleaning super easy. And if you're particular with weight, rest assured that this 2-burner stove is designed to be light and compact. It even folds up nicely so you can store it real fast and waste no time. This COLEMAN backpacking stove is indeed a perfect and excellent choice for all travelers who are looking for a durable and handy cooking device that hosts a lot of smart features. So there you have it, the top 5 backpacking stoves for you. Whichever you opt to get based on your needs and preferences, we hope that you find in our list the most convenient and durable cooking equipment that's best for your camping needs. Did you find anything that you might like? If so, then you can click the link to the description box and catch these items at our best offer. Let us know if you have a product in mind that you'd like to see in our next video. Write your comments and suggestions, and our research team will work their best to give you a fair and square product review. Stay updated with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon. Also, if you want to be a part of our growing community, then click the bell icon. By doing so, you get the chance to see more of our videos. That's all for today, and thanks for watching.